Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll try and get back to you. Okay, let's get on with this one. So we're going to make a cabbage curry today, which is very quick and it is super tasty. Really easy. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, really nice and easy this one. So cabbage, I've got white cabbage. I've sliced that up quite thin. Do it thicker if you want. 2 decent sized tomatoes. Always try and use a nice ripe, juicy tomato. 1 cup of onions. Here I've got some fresh curry leaves. Now if you can get them, fantastic. If not, try and get dried. 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. I've got some fresh chopped chili there. 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, and the big 4. Would always call them the big 4. If you're a regular to the show, you're going to know exactly what I'm talking about. We've got equal parts, like a teaspoon each, of chili powder, coriander, cumin, and turmeric. Let's get moving. So you're going to need a pot, pan, wok, like I've got here. I'm just melting some coconut oil. You could be using a different oil if you want. I really like the coconut at the moment. Fantastic stuff. So as it heats through, we're going to drop in our cumin seeds and our curry leaves. We're on an above medium heat. Then we're going to go in with that 1 cup of onion. I'll be back in 3 minutes. Beautiful. Next up, we're going to go in with that tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. Garlic ginger paste is a 50-50 mix of the two. We're going to add our fresh chili. We're going to add our powders, so that's a teaspoon each of chili, turmeric, coriander, and cumin. Now, if you want, you could just be using a curry powder. We're then going to drop in those couple of tomatoes. So stay on this above medium heat. We want to go for about 5 minutes. We want those tomatoes to kind of cook down and hopefully give off some moisture. There you go. I've got loads of moisture from my tomatoes. If you didn't, don't worry. You could just add a little bit of water if you wanted to. Right, we're going to drop in our shredded cabbage. I'm going to add some salt. And then we're going to go for another 5 minutes again on this above medium heat. So easy, it's so delicious. Fabulous, look at that. Okay, off goes the heat. Check it for salt. Now, if you want, you could be adding some cilantro or coriander. Today, I'm going with fresh mint. I love that in this one. Roughly chopped, fresh mint in the mix. Delicious. And there we have it. Really simple, really tasty. Vegetarian, healthy, vegan, that's it. Keep safe, keep well, I'll see you soon. Lots of love.